Windy Piggy is our friend. Windy Piggy is strong little sheep. She's knocking things to the ground. All right. So, Sunny, what is the weather like before the storm?
Oh, before the storm, it's sunny!
Oh, we're supposed to come in sunny.
Oh, I forgot! But you know what?
What?
Sometimes I come in the middle of the storm. You know what they call me?
What?
I'm an eyewitness!
You get it?
I love that.
You get it? Anyway, these boys and girls, they look like they know a lot of things, don't you think so, Sunny?
They do.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Nice sun. I can't see everyone's sun. I see all the happy faces and the sad ones.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding